Good evening all. Today we are going to discuss about an atom. It is looking like a very simple word, but it is very complex in nature. So first of all, John Dalton said in the Dalton's atomic theory about an atom. So when matter is going to divide, we can get the ultimate particle, which is indivisible. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atom is indivisible, means which cannot be divided into furtherly smaller pieces by any means. Okay, na? Indivisible and also invisible. So we cannot see that atom. So once it can be observed that full stop in the textbook. So how small it is, but it contains 1 million of the atoms. It can be assumed that how small the atoms are. So those are indivisible, invisible. Okay, and which is taking part in a chemical reaction. Which is taking part in a chemical reaction. So whatever the reaction is taking, so whether elements or molecules are involving, first they will be break down into atoms, and those atoms can be rearranged, can give the new compound. So the substances which are taking part in a chemical reaction are called atoms. Okay, right. So here atom is the basic form of the element which can be defined. So here atom can be defined as the basic form of an element which can takes part in a chemical reaction. So basic form of the element. So that means elements are made up of atoms. So this is according to John Dalton, atom is indivisible, but modern theories are saying that atoms are complex in nature. Those are made up of some subatomic particles. Okay, na? So those subatomic particles are many are there: electron, proton, neutron, neutrino, antineutrino, meson, muon. Okay, like this all. But among these, those are only electron, proton, neutron. Electron, proton and neutron. These three particles are called subatomic particles. Subatomic particles or fundamental particles. Because these all three are taking very important role in the construction of an atom. That's why these are called subatomic particles or fundamental particles. Now one by one can be see. So what are the properties of the subatomic particles? So here mainly one is the electron, second one is proton, third one is neutron. Atom containing the subatomic particles. So first one, so electron, this was discovered by J.J. Thomson, and protons are discovered by Goldstein, but named by Rutherford. The name of the proton name given by Rutherford. However, neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. And next, representation, it can be represented E minus because these are carrying the negative charge. Protons are represented by P plus and neutrons are represented by N0. Negative in nature, positive in nature, neutral. That's why these are called a neutron. Okay, B like proton, positive, not like electron, right? Right. So next one, absolute mass. What is absolute mass of the electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms, or 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 grams. And coming to absolute mass of the proton, 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms, or 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Coming to mass of the neutron is 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms, or 1.675 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. Relative mass. Absolute mass is above 1. Relative mass is 0.000548 AMU. AMU stands for atomic mass unit. This one is relative mass of the proton is 1.008665 AMU, and the relative mass of the neutron is 1.008775 AMU. Okay, 8677 AMU. Next one is charge. Absolute charge. Absolute charge is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. ESU stands for electrostatic unit. Next one, the absolute charge of the proton is same the magnitude but having the opposite sign, that is plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs, or plus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. The charge of the neutron is 0. Neutron carrying the no charge. Next one is here relative charge. Relative charge minus 1 plus 1 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0. This is about the fundamental particles. Fundamental particles of the atom. That is which one? Atom is containing the subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. These subatomic particles are electron, proton and neutron. Okay, electron, proton and then neutron. So here furtherly, proton and neutron, two are made up of, atom is made up of fundamental particles. Again these fundamental particles or proton and neutron are made up of the particle called quark. Okay, right. Thank you.